Every morning before the sun rose, Vikram picked up his shovel and started digging. He dug in the same place every day. People in the village laughed at him. "You are wasting your time, Vikram," they said. "There is nothing in the ground. No gold, no treasure, just dirt." Even his younger brother was embarrassed. "Bhaiya, please stop," he said. "People think you have lost your mind." But Vikram only smiled. "I have a feeling," he said. "Something is down there. I just need to dig deep enough." Days passed, then weeks, then months. The hole became deeper, but Vikram found nothing. The villagers stopped laughing. Now they were angry. "You could be helping the village," the village leader said. "Instead, you dig a useless hole." Even his mother was worried. "Beta, I don't understand why you do this." Vikram felt tired. His hands hurt. His back ached. His heart was heavy. One night he sat next to the hole, looking at the dark ground. His mind was full of doubt. Maybe the villagers were right. Maybe he was wasting his time. Maybe he should stop. Then his mother sat beside him. She touched his hand and said, "Your father always believed the land would give us what we need. He never stopped hoping. Maybe you should not stop either." Vikram thought for a moment. He looked at his hands, covered in dirt. He looked at the hole, deep but not deep enough. He made a decision. He picked up the shovel and kept digging. One morning, his shovel hit something hard. His heart jumped. He dug faster, his hands shaking with excitement. He pulled out a heavy old box. The villagers gathered around. "A treasure chest!" someone shouted. Vikram's hands trembled as he opened the box. But inside, nothing. Just old broken pots and stones. The villagers laughed loudly. "We told you! You wasted your time for this junk!" Vikram's heart sank. Had he really been wrong? Even his brother sighed and walked away. That night, Vikram sat beside the hole looking at the empty box. He felt lost. Maybe he really was a fool. Then a strong wind blew through the village. The ground under him shook. Suddenly, the walls of his hole cracked. A strange sound filled the air, gurgling, rushing water. The villagers ran back, eyes wide. Clear water started to rise from the bottom of the hole. "A hidden underground river!" The people gasped. For years, the village had suffered from dry summers. They always paid merchants for water. But now, Vikram had found their own water source. The village leader smiled. "Vikram, we were wrong. You have given the village something more valuable than gold." His mother wiped away happy tears. His brother looked at him with respect. "You never gave up, Bhaiya. That is why you won." A young boy pulled Vikram's sleeve and asked, "Vikram Bhaiya, how did you know there was water?" Vikram smiled. "I didn't. I only knew one thing. If you keep digging, sooner or later you will find what you are looking for." Most people stop when they don't see results. They stop when others laugh at them. But those who keep going, even when it is hard, are the ones who succeed. Success is not luck. It is about how long you are willing to keep digging. Like, share, and subscribe. And remember, never stop digging.